Hey guys, welcome to Shojib Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to focus on your main object and blur or censor everything else. So I have a clip here. So if I play this, I have this main object, which is the player. He's mostly in the center of the screen, but we can adjust that. But if you see, first he is free falling, then he's using his umbrella to slowly glide down. And the position changes, right, from lower bottom to the center of the screen. So we can work with that. So I'm going to make this my main object and focus on this and blur everything else. So I'm going to, so this is my clip, right? I recommend that you clip your, if you have a longer clip, you can clip them smaller so that you can focus on small part, and from there you can scale it. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to create a composite shot, and you can name whatever you want. I'm going to keep the name same. All right, so I have this clip, right? So I'm going to right click and copy, and right click and paste. So I have two clips, copy and paste it, not duplicate it. So the first one, the second one, and I'm going to right click here. I'm going to create a new grid. I'm going to drag it and put it in between two of the clips, right? So I'm going to rename the new grid to blur effect layer. All right, so now I'm going to, in the effects window, we're going to select blur and drag it and apply it to the new grid, the blur effect layer. You will not see the blur in the screen yet. Okay, so the grid layer has a blur effect, right? And the first and the last clip, which are the same clip, has no effect. Select on the first clip, and we're going to add a mask. So there are a couple of mask options here. It's ellipse mask, and this is a rectangular mask. Okay, so I'm going to choose this ellipse mask and have the first clip selected. Okay, and then I'm going to draw on top of this, something like this. All right, this works, right? All right, so now you see the blur effect kicked in, right? The second grid layer has the blur effect, and the third clip, you are seeing the third clip here, right? If I play this, as you see, my main player is focused and everything is blurred out. Okay, now there's a problem here, right? See the focus change. If the focus of the object position changes, right? So after he free fall, he takes his umbrella. Okay, there you go. Now we can fix that right here, pretty much. Okay, there you go, right here, right? So to find the location, I'm trying to find the location right there. All right, right here. Okay, we can go to the exact frame. So I stopped exactly at the right spot where the player changes his position toward the center of the screen. So I'm gonna click on the slice tool, and I'm gonna slice it at that position. Okay, first clip, second clip, and the third clip, right? So this is after slicing it. So I'm going to select the second one and expand it, and I'm going to go to the mask option, right? Select on the mask and see highlighted, then click on the selection tool, and you'll be able to select the mask. Now I'm going to reposition this, and I can also make it bigger. Okay, so I'm going to bigger and put it in the center. And now if I play this, right, we can make another slice right here, and then I'm going to move it up, play right here. So I can make it, clip it here, and I want to make this go higher. There you go, it worked out fine. So all I have to keep slicing it, and until you're happy with the focus, so you will be seeing multiple of the first clips like this, right? So keep slicing it, keep positioning the mask on your main object, and that should do it. Let's make the blurry effect more blurry. like this. So I can make it more blurry, like this. See how it looks. Now it seems more visual, right? As you can see the main object and everything else very blurry. All right, I think that works. Let me know what you think about it. If it's too difficult, this is, by the way, one way of doing this. There could be more way of doing it. You might be able to do it using the tracking feature, but this is one way of doing it. If you have any question, put your questions in the comment section below. Until next time, goodbye.